Good evening, everyone. Jackie is off tonight. Bills linebacker Von Miller still in hot water tonight, facing assault allegations after an altercation between him and his pregnant girlfriend. Tara Lynch begins our team coverage tonight with more about the potential legal fallout. Tara?
Don, former Super Bowl MVP Von Miller turned himself into authorities Thursday afternoon, answering to a felony assault warrant after he allegedly pushed and put his hands around his girlfriend's neck. But now the victim seems to be walking back her statements. The details of this story may be disturbing to some viewers.
Regardless of whether she wants to, recant her statement, they're going to see whether or not the evidence will support an indictment in the situation.
Von Miller is accused of assaulting his pregnant girlfriend Wednesday morning in their Dallas apartment. The warrant affidavit obtained by News 4 details a verbal argument between the two that turned heated, and it accuses Miller of pushing her multiple times, pulling a chunk out of her hair, and putting his hand and hands around her neck twice. Dallas police say in the report they saw bruising and other marks, and she said to police she felt pain, which is enough evidence to charge Miller.
The idea that there's pain and bruising, that would suggest that there's at least probable cause to continue on with this.
Assault of a pregnant person is a third-degree felony in Texas with a maximum sentence of 10 years in state prison. The suspect has to know the victim is pregnant at the time of the assault. According to the ABC affiliate in Dallas, the victim is now walking back some of her statements. She said via text message the situation was blown out of context. News 4 has not been able to independently confirm that claim.
If they have enough to suggest that something occurred, whether or not she recants, that's not going to dictate letting him off the hook.
In 2021, Miller was accused in another alleged domestic incident, but no charges were filed by a DA in Colorado. That could be considered by the DA in this case.
They're going to know about these prior allegations, the fact that these charges were dismissed prior to, and so that'll factor into their decision as to whether or not to push further. They don't want to cut corners, and they want to make sure that they get this right.
This will be a lengthy legal process and could take months to get through the investigation. The Dallas County DA's office says the case is not in their prosecution system as of Friday morning. Miller posted $5,000 bail Thursday and was released. For Now in Studio, Tara Lynch, News 4.